Before replacing the screen assembly, verify the True Tone function on the original screen. Remove the two pentalobe screws at the bottom edge of the iPhone. Set aside the screws. Place the phone screen face down on a heating mat. Set the heating temperature to 80 degrees Celsius, to heat the phone for 2 to 3 minutes. Place the iPhone face up on a phone opener. Rotate the knob counterclockwise to fix the iPhone. Put down the lid of the phone opener. Flip down the handle to secure the suction cup to the screen. Rotate the knob clockwise to lift the suction cup. To create a gap between the screen and the frame, apply some ethyl alcohol to soften the glue. Remove the iPhone from the screen opener. Insert an opening pick into the gap under the screen's plastic bezel. Slide the opening pick along the right edge of the phone to separate its adhesive. Insert the opening pick in the bottom left corner of the iPhone. Slide the pick slowly and avoid the cables. Place the iPhone on a screen holder. Open the iPhone by gently swinging the screen up, and lean it against the holder. Unscrew the battery and display connector cover. Use a pair of tweezers to remove the battery and display connector cover. Use a spudger to disconnect the battery and display cables. Remove the 4 screws, securing the front sensor assembly connector cover. Use a pair of tweezers to remove the cover. Use a spudger to disconnect the front sensor assembly cable. Remove the screen assembly. Set the original screen assembly aside. Take out REPART screen assembly for iPhone 12. Before installing the new screen, program True Tone data into the screen. Connect the original screen to a programmer. Read the true tone data of the original screen. Connect the REPART screen to the programmer. And write in the true tone data. Remove the screw securing the earpiece speaker on the original screen. Gently flip over the earpiece speaker. Use a pair of tweezers to pry up the proximity sensor and flood illuminator from their notches. Remove the earpiece speaker and front sensor assembly. Peel off the smaller piece of protective film from the back of the screen. Install the earpiece speaker and front sensor assembly to the new screen. Press the proximity sensor and flood illuminator into the notches. Align the earpiece speaker to the screw holes. Fasten the screws. Connect the new screen cables to the logic board. Connect the front sensor assembly cable and the battery cable. Power on the iPhone and verify the true tone function is restored. Verify the touch function. Remove the old adhesive around the perimeter of the iPhone's case. Peel off the large backing from the replacement adhesive. Carefully align the adhesive to iPhone's case. Use the tip of a spudger to press the adhesive into place around the entire perimeter of the iPhone. Use tweezers to peel off the large front liner of the adhesive. Connect the screen cables. Connect the front sensor assembly cable. Connect the battery cable. Install the front sensor assembly connector cover. Install the battery and display connector cover. Use tweezers to peel off the final release liner. Hold the display out of the way as you remove the final piece of release liner. Peel off the protective film from the back of the screen. Align the edges of the screen with the edges of the iPhone body. Apply gentle pressure against the screen to close up the screen. Tighten the tube and tallow screws at the bottom edge of the iPhone. Turn it on. Thank you for your watching.